Video I'm going to tell you how you can uh, add your language and your time zone in the Slack application. So for that you need to open your Slack application, then go to U icon at the bottom, then click on preferences, and after that at the top you can see a time and places. So you can just select your language from here. If I want to select any other language, I can just select. Here are some giving language. Not all languages are there. You have some given language, you can just select it from here. If I want to, I am just comfortable with English US, so I can just select this language, and I have a time set, a set time zone automatically option. So it is defaultly very much on. So you can just turn it off, and you can just turn it on as well. So it will automatically link your time with the time zone, your time zone. Okay.